Welcome back to the channel. First of all, click on Start Lab, and in this lab, we'll cover this particular challenge. So, right click over here in the AppSheet and open incognito window. Select Google. From here, just select the username. Just copy the pass over here. Click on Next. And here, just click on I understand. Just click on Continue. Allow. So, these things are completely done. Now, in the description box, I've shared this repository. Come over here. Just right click over here and open incognito window. From here, just click on this copy app and just remove this and just copy the app directly. Now, just come to the lab instruction and check the score for task number 1. You can see we got the score. And if you want to enable this yellow check my progress bar, check the video description. Now coming over here, just for the remaining tasks, just right click over here, open incognito window. Again, click on copy app and just copy it. Now wait for it to get updated. It's taking some time. Meanwhile, you can come to the lab instruction and try to check the score. You can refresh the browser also if you are unable to see the score. So here you can see we got the full score and all things are done. Now you can simply end the lab. Also see all things are updated. Now, thank you. Have a great day ahead.